How to learn physics. Firstring will structure lectures based on your needs. Give us a list of particular areas where you are struggling with, which then allows us to generate some questions and notes based on what you need the most. To assess your progress, we will occasionally hand out question sheets that you can go through, and if needed, we will then go through in a tutorial so that we can monitor areas that prove difficult to you, and again tailor the sessions to meet these requirements. It is important that you do these, because as they say, practice makes perfect. The tutorials will mainly be example-based with detailed explanations alongside them. These examples will primarily consist of relevant exam-style questions, where you can have a go at them along with us and ask if you have any problems.
Hello, my name's Rishi, and I'm here to talk to you about the Firstring Global Online Tuition Service. It really helped me, especially during my A-levels, in which you have to put in so much more work and effort into your studies, but this actually motivates me as well as educate me in my subjects. The teachers are really supportive and actually very talented. They explain things no matter what you ask them, and they are the most patient teachers you'll ever get, more than in school. Also, the service is really seamless and integrated well with Skype, and the classroom they have, the online virtual classroom, is really fun to use. Thank you for listening, and it's really something you should try out. They have a week free trial as well, so there's no harm in trying.